YouTube, welcome back to the channel. 5 things that I absolutely love about this Honda S2000, or about Honda S2000s. Oh, number 1, absolutely has to be VTEC. It's so good. VTEC is so good. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little flyby. This one's turboed, but what do I love about the Honda S2000? VTEC, that's the first thing. It is so good, it's so addicting. If you're a car enthusiast, you'll love hitting VTEC. It just gives you that sense of excitement, thrill, and it's something that most cars don't have. You know, you get a nice V8 out there and it feels all powerful, maybe low end, but then it kind of just piss out at the end of it. This thing gets more exciting, better and better, the better you go. So number 1, absolutely VTEC. I love VTEC. Yeah, so number 1, VTEC, absolutely legendary. It lives up to everything you can think about it. Everything you can think about, like VTEC and you hear about, it's true. You have to drive. The next thing that I truly love about the Honda S2000, it's rear-wheel drive. I love a good rear-wheel drive sports car. You can do donuts in them, you can do a launch in them, you can do everything in them. They handle better, to my opinion, they handle way better than a front-wheel drive car. They can put the power down really well. I love a rear-wheel drive car. So number 2, S2000s all come with rear-wheel drive. How can you not like a rear-wheel drive car? If you're looking for a sports car, which if you're gonna buy an S2000, you're looking for one, anything that's front-wheel drive, the RSX, the CELICA GTS, you know, a lot of Volkswagens, a lot of those, you look at them, you're like, oh, those are pretty cool. You know, you get a Jetta and you do it all up, but it's front-wheel drive, you know, and when you start making big power, it just spins. This is a great way to have an amazing rear-wheel drive experience and the reliability of a Honda S2000. So number 2 that I really love about this, rear-wheel drive Honda S2000. All right, I just put the top on. The next, number three that I love about the Honda S2000, it's the drop top. If you've never driven a drop top, you don't understand. You have to. So my first experience was, I was in California, I was on the highway 101, and we took off the top of a car, and just everything was more visceral, more exciting, more amazing. The Honda S2000 has a drop top. It's so sick. Another great thing about them is that you can actually find hard tops for them. Carbon fiber ones, OEM ones, long tail ones. You can find a lot of custom hard tops for them, which is awesome. I love that. So drop top, it's powered too, which makes it really nice, and it makes it a little bit more classy. You know, you don't have to put your arm up and throw it back or anything. It's powered, so it's a powered convertible drop top. It's just drop top, windows up, the air conditioning on a hot summer day. You might feel a little bougie or something like that, but it's truly an awesome experience. If you're a car person, you'll love the drop top. So number 3, convertible. It's amazing. So you get the VTEC, rear-wheel drive, and convertible. We're gonna go to number 4, and this is a heavy hitter because I absolutely believe that all cars should. Number 4, it's a manual. It's a stick shift. Oh, I love the stick shift. They are so good. You gotta love the stick shift. So manual, 6-speed on this, awesome. Short, really cool short gear ratios on these. Absolutely love the manual. You know, the 3 pedals, they're going away and we need more 3 pedals. So I truly love that it's a manual 6-speed. That's like one of the things that when I was younger, you always wanted to have a manual 6-speed. They're just killers. That's the best thing. I think a lot of people look for manuals, and so it really holds the value that these are manuals. Oh, I absolutely love it. Great transmission, great short shifts, really fun, zippy car, turboed. With it being turboed, it's amazing. I really love it. The next thing that I'm gonna like, and you might not like this if you're someone that's not into this things, you might not like my 5th reason, but this is the 5th thing that I truly love about the Honda S2000. It is extremely available to aftermarket and modify the car. There's so many good parts out there, so many to choose from, huge community for it. S2000 has true enthusiasts, and the car companies made a lot of parts for it. So for the years that it was made, there's a lot to choose from. Honestly, there's a lot you can do with the car, a lot of changes. For example, this one's turboed. You know, to find a turbo kit or a supercharger kit for this car is not going to be the end of the world. It's going to be pretty easy, actually, I think, to find one and to find how amazing they are, and you really get a lot of bang for your buck. Other cars in the aftermarket world are very difficult. Many of the ones that I've owned are very difficult to get aftermarket parts. So to have a car like this where there's a ready label, it makes it truly awesome. So that's my 5th reason. 5 things I absolutely love about the Honda S2000: the motor, the VTEC, the rear-wheel drive, the drop top. I love a good convertible, 6-speed, and then the aftermarket. The aftermarket world is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Would I recommend one of these? 5 out of 5, absolutely. I salute you if you have a Honda S2000. If you got a boosted one, come over, let's be friends. I love it. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video.